How to download Instagram on Android. Now in order to download Instagram on Android, just simply open your Google Play Store application. And after opening Google Play Store, this homepage of Google Play will appear. Just simply tap into this search button from the bottom right corner. After tapping in there, you will see the search bar, tap into that. Or if you see the application of Instagram directly under the suggestions, just simply open this application of Instagram, which will be in the yellow and pinkish color. Then you will see the option of install. Tap into the install button, and depending on your internet connection's speed, the Instagram app will be downloaded to your Android device in no time. So this is how you can download Instagram in your device very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.